Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a bar chart in Excel. Yeah, so I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process step by step. All right, so as you can see right here, this is self-result chart, definitely. So you want to put the bar chart. So first thing you wanted to block it, everything right here. You're going to click here on insert. When you click on insert, you notice it said chart. These are the different ones. You're going to come up this here on your click. Notice we have a different chart. If you notice right down here, each time I put it on one, right, you notice a different bar chart right here, right? And we can actually get more right here, right here. So notice, put this right here. So this is exactly what it looks like. So far, you can even come right here and size it up. The same, you can actually shift it away, just the same. You can actually scale it right down, just the same. So this is where you actually create a bar chart right here in Excel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.